Hello everyone, Technotan here. I hope you have a nice day. I'm sorry guys, it's raining right now, so the sound isn't that good. Okay guys, one of the most popular Indonesian dish is Javanese fried noodles. The dish is very delicious and the ingredients are simple. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please support my channel by click the subscribe button and ring the bell and click the like button too. Now I will show you how to make this dish. The ingredients required are mustard greens, cabbage, tomato, red chili, celery, half a kilo of wet noodles, 2 cloves of garlic, 4 or 5 shallots, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder, I use the Knorr brand, half a teaspoon ground pepper, and sweet soy sauce, chicken and shrimp, a little water, cut the green mustard, cut the cabbage, cut the tomato into 8 pieces. Cut the chili. Cut the celery. Crushed garlic. Then roughly chopped. Roughly chopped shallots. Then cut the chicken like this. Beat 2 eggs. Keep heating the wok. And I also use a stove like this, high pressure stove, because I like the result. But if there is no high pressure stove, you can use an ordinary stove. After the wok is hot, put cold oil in the wok. Then stir the oil. Stir well to the surface of the wok. Pour back the oil. We do this so that the wok is not sticky. After that, put the new oil into the frying pan. Fry eggs, or if you want to saute the onion and garlic first, you can do it. After our eggs are fried, we put the chicken and shrimp. We saute until the chicken is almost cooked. Put the green mustard greens and cabbage. We stir fry it until it is slightly wilted. If you use a high pressure stove like this, you have to be able to play the fire, because small fire depending on needs. After the vegetables are slightly wilted, we put the noodles. Then we give a little water so that the noodles are a little moist. Then we mix again. After that, we put the spices, broth, salt, and pepper. We stir again, we mix again. Then we put the chili, tomato and celery. Stir it again. Pour the sweet soy sauce. We make it until the color is a little brown. This is still lacking, guys. I will add more. After it blended well, we lift it. Tomatku! Tomatku! This is how it looks. Javanese fried noodles. Let me taste it. Mari makan. Enak sekali guys. Very yummy, very tasty, very delicious. It's quite a lot guys. Besides what I arranged on the plate earlier, there is still this much left in the wok. Okay guys, this is video from me, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share to everywhere so this channel can be useful for many people. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.